Hey guys, Chris here, the RC Geek. We're out at the field. If you've been following along on my social pages, I've been putting together a Seagull models P-47D that comes from legendhobby.com. A really nice looking model. It comes with a nice flat finish on it, which I really appreciate for a warbird. Goes together really nicely, and so yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with it. So I've got a full assembly review in the works for you, but you know, if you've been following along, I wanted to give you guys the payoff and a sneak peek flight video. I've got a Tomcat motor in here, 420 kV, 1510 prop with a Spectrum Smart 6S5000 in here. Pulls the airplane around really nicely, really handily. So I did modify for the pylons for the bomb drop, and that's been a lot of fun. It comes with bombs, it comes with the centerline tank, and so yeah, it really builds into a nice looking model. Now this is the stock paint. I haven't put any markings on. I plan to actually fully repaint the airplane, and that'll be a part of my assembly video. I want to give you guys a sneak peek look of the flight of the airplane. I've really been having some fun with it today. Really like how it flies. And so yeah, let's go give you a flight. Landing. Alright guys, so I thought I'd give you guys another flight. We dropped the bombs on that last one. They kind of exploded. So I'm not going to be able to do that on this one, but I think I need to adjust the material that I'm printing those out of. One of the other things I wanted to mention is that so the bombs I had 3D printed, and so I also did some other 3D printed modifications. I put more scale gear doors on there, and I also printed out a radial engine and a scale inlet. Those were things that I found on Thingiverse. Really dressed up the front end of the airplane quite a bit. And once this is all painted, it should really look, should be really cool. It looks good as is, but personally I'm not a fan of the paint scheme, so I want to switch it up. All right, let's give you guys another flight. Jeez. All right, there she is. Seagull Models P-47, a really nice flyer. I've got my assembly review on the way. Do a full assembly review, full flight review. Also, thank you to Legend Hobby. They are actually going to be giving away one of these airplanes, so look for that posting on my channel very soon. I'm really excited to offer that to you guys. There'll be multiple ways to enter, and so I'll have more information coming very soon. So, all right, there we have it. Really enjoying this airplane. More work to do, and we'll show all of you what that work entails. So, until next time, we'll see you at the field.